Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke Creatives. Today is Wednesday, 2nd October 2024. In Igbo land, this day is known as Orie, the market day, a day marked for success and the betterment of living. You are highly blessed and empowered to be great in your creativity, to better your life and your fellow humans through the existence of the wind, water and sand that support humans to live and achieve greatness in their creativity, to beautify the world and to better the cost of living, and with wind, water and sand you are safe and secured to be here on earth. Because in all activities, wind, water and sand are monitoring all the actions to avoid blacklist after death. This blessing is a call to be great in your creativity, to enrich not just your life but also the lives of others. Think about it. Be active in your creativity to better the cost of living. Always be just kind to your fellow humans. Don't destroy people's lives, and present sorry and forgive that is evil with white cloth. Be content with what you have and learn how to economize to avoid evil, clothed with sorry and forgive. The wind, water and sand, they are here to help us achieve greatness, to beautify the world and to make life more livable. They also keep us safe and secure here on earth, monitoring our actions to ensure we live righteously. So today I urge you to be active in your creativity. Use your talents and gifts to better the cost of living. Be just and kind to your fellow humans. Let your actions be filled with good intentions. Don't destroy lives and don't present evil wrapped in apologies and forgiveness. Be content with what you have. Learn how to economize. This isn't just about saving resources, it's about avoiding the pitfalls of evil cloaked in false remorse. Remember, these words come from Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe, Orie Nnukwu Chineke, a messenger of the truth afterlife. Creatives, you have the power to change the world. Use it wisely. Thank you for listening. Stay blessed and continue to create with purpose.